Welcome back to Cars R Us. Today we're going to find a charging station for the Volvo C40 Recharge. Hey Google, where's the nearest charging station? Now the GPS has given us the nearest charging station. Let's go. Gotta wait till this old man park. Now we're on our way to the charging station. You can see the map on your display and on your dash.
Take the next right onto North Williamson Boulevard. In a quarter mile, use the second from the right lane to turn slightly left. From the right lane to turn slightly left, then turn left.
You can see your map there. You can see your map there. It gives you turn-by-turn directions. I'm driving a C40 Recharge. This is the Ultimate Edition. Got the premium sound system. And we're on our way to a charging station.
Turn left, then turn left. Your destination is on the left.
And here we are. Electrify America. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button.